What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, bringing y'all a surprise. I just curled my synthetic wig. I went from straight to curly, got that natural hairline popping, curls popping. Look, fly. Yes, gave it more body, all that. I used a lot of body and got her done, okay? Yes.
You riding around, my shorty is the coldest.
So look, I tried a method first with the steamer and rollers, and guess what? Failed. Yes, it did not work. So I used a lot of body mousse and a curling iron to see if it worked on 325. And guess what? Popping. So let's go. Off camera, I curled most of it. I wanted to show you that it's still straight in some parts, just to show you the difference between the two and that it actually did work. And it's popping, I promise. Look, it actually works. Keep it at about 325 depending on your synthetic wig. And I suggest also using synthetic blends in order to get this done, or human hair blends, whatever you want to call it. This time I'm putting my makeup on there and I'm prepping it with the black EBIN spray. Now I'm going through making sure my cap matches using my EBIN adhesive glue that I normally use all the time. But this time I did about 4 layers because it's a little bit hotter outside now. The temperatures, make me sweat a little bit more, so I wanted to make sure my joint was on there. Now, I'm showing you guys this part in real time because I want you guys to know how to apply your glue without having to really use a blow dryer. The thinner you apply it, the less air or blow drying you have to do, and that also helps with irritation. So the less blow drying you have to do, you'll be able to keep it on a little bit longer. At least that works for me, because no matter what glue I use, whether it's sensitive or not, it still irritates my skin after about 4 or 5 days. So it really didn't matter for my situation as far as what style glue I use. So I wanted to show y'all what it is that you do. Also, make sure you use your protective spray. The protective spray is important, whichever protectant spray you decide to use, or witch hazel, or green alcohol. The mint green alcohol that's like 60-70% also works as well. So now we're just down putting our wig on, and I start from the middle. I'm making sure that I have no flyaways under my wig so that when it adheres, it does not adhere with hair underneath my lace. And making sure that my lace is really flat, because sometimes when you're reinstalling, the lace tends to get kind of buckled or, just not flat as normal. So just make sure that you're going through and making sure that the hair is out of the way and that you're getting that lace as flat as possible with your comb. Now I'm creating my natural hairline that I promote so much. I don't wear baby hair. I love the natural hairline look, and so this is what I'm going for. I work from side to side to make sure that my lace is on there, or should I say my wig is on there and that my lace is adhered, and see what the left side looks like. That is what I want it to look like. So now I'm going to the other side, making sure that my natural hairline is where it's supposed to be at. And see, this is what I'm going for. Making sure that my natural hairline is looking real good. Hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. But yes, getting back into this natural hairline. We want to make sure that that hairline looks like it's coming out our scalp. See that? See that? Coming out the scalp. And don't worry about those little edges. I will make sure that those is perfectly once I get done. So we are doing our part, and normally I use a rat tail comb for that part, but those red combs that I have just work so much better. Making sure that that side is adhered extra because of the fact that it always comes up. I don't know about y'all, but that is the part that always gives me heck when I'm wearing them. they come up the fastest. So look at that natural hairline going through with a blow dryer on cool so that it causes for less irritation. Now look at that. Popping curls. Went through. This hairstyle lasted me about 5 days. And that's because I sweat in my head. So those that sweat in your head, I don't think it's going to matter what type of glue you use. I always, even if I get the best ones that are on the market, I always have that issue. But I mean, hey, I like to switch my hair anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But I'm going through and fixing them curls, making sure they're puffed out. Giving. I love how bouncy they are. A lot of body is the truth. Yes, this is a synthetic blend, or human hair blend, should I call it. And this is the SENSATIONNEL BUTTA Blend Straight 32-inch wig, which is my favorite wig. And look at it, it's popping. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next week.